What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. Hadn't made a video in a few days, none this week I don't think, and I just wanted to make this one real quick ranting. This is not going to be anything about futures trading. This is going to be about what I call my magnet to 50 play. And when I say I say that confidently, that this is a strategy that I kind of formulated, and I've been trading it off and on for the past, I don't know how many months it is since I've come up with it, but it's been paying pretty well. And I was looking at a stock this morning and it was looking pretty good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip over to my Discord real quick, and I'm gonna just let you see what I had stated. So this is this morning's Discord. One of the guys there on the road was coming through Jacksonville, so he had posted a picture. But this was the post that I made 9:03 this morning. I said, if POL can hold 219, it's headed to 550, then to 610, and maybe 1590. Now you look at that and you'll say, no way. What makes you think it's going to do that? And I say top watch on my magnet list, and I'm sure on everyone's watch list. Again, you might say, why would you say that? Well, I'll show you here in a minute. So this 219 kind of changed. And what I did this morning was I put alerts in my Thinkorswim app. I put alerts in. And I put an alert in for this one for $2.40 because I wanted it to hold 219, but I needed to see it break 240. I wanted to be a part of the trade. This was another one that I was watching. CGNX, not really doing anything. It did not get over that number yet. But if it does, I'm gonna be looking for that one to go to 45. I'm gonna scroll on down. I'm gonna get past all of this, and you're gonna see where this alert was at right here. I say I put this alert in my phone before I opened, didn't see it come through on my phone. So at 12:30, I finally looked at my phone, and look what POL did. POL price alert. Mark at or above 240, it triggered. Now, let's look at POL. Boom. Now pay attention, that was at 12:30. I saw it on my phone, which meant that it would have triggered around 11:30. So this is what I watch when I am setting up when I'm looking for my magnet to 50s. I give you a quick rundown on the weekly chart, and then we're going to come up here and look at this thing. So lower left, weekly chart. Pre-trigger is this solid burgundy line. I'll take a trade when it gets over that. That was, and it's kind of moved now. It's not really where they were this morning, but anything over this line, I'm interested, and I'm trading it to the actual trigger, which is the broken line. Broken line is where I used to get in trades at. So I would miss that move from the pre-trigger to the trigger. But I found pre-trigger to trigger is a solid play. Well, now we are well over the trigger. We're well over the trigger. And this thing can go up to $16. Clean play. But the other thing that I want to rant about, if you come and you look, this is right about the time that it was going to be alerting me. Right there, solid trade, 12:30. This is where you see me snapping, screenshotting my phone, and I'm like, God dog it, I missed the meat of the move. So while I'm sitting at my desk, I see this pretty little setup right here. If you come up, that's going to be about where I would think it was going to get up to. But the high of this area was 388. I put an order right at 388. Let's highlight that candle. That's about a 35 cent stop. I hear TOS get me in this trade. So 30, let's call it a 35 cent stop. I need like 70 cents out of this thing to get 2R. I'm in at 388. This thing shoots up. And when I say shoots, it just rockets. And I get a little nervous that this thing is going to halt. So I get out in this candle at 452. So I'm getting out about right there. Not quite the top of it. Thinking it's going to halt. It doesn't halt. Next candle. Makes that nice candle. Next candle. Look at the high of this candle, y'all. The high of that candle is 550. That's where, if you remember in my notes on Discord, I said it was going up to 550. This thing halts at $5.51. It halts in this candle. So now I'm like, see, I knew it was going to halt. That's why I got out in this candle. Just had the wrong candle. This thing comes out of the halt, y'all, and shoots immediately. I'm talking about immediately up another $1. Comes all the way up, sets this high of about $8.30. And now you kind of see what it's doing now. But solid trade on the magnet to 50. I will be paying a little bit more attention to those now. Definitely paying more attention to them than I did in the past, because I have missed some solid plays. And this is where we're actually at right now. It didn't set a high of $9.40. Wow. Look at that, y'all. I was in at 388. I was in at 388. And this thing is up a solid $4 from my entry. Again, with room to $16. I can show you statistically that this magnet to 50 play is it's a game changer. I just need to stay a little bit more focused on it. I'm in Chewy. Let's take a peek at Chewy real quick. I'm in Chewy in option play. Same picture. Pre-trigger, trigger, magnet. I'm in Chewy. This thing has room up to $28. I want to say I'm in 3 or 4 contracts. SPCE. This is another one. This one is just a slow grinder. It needs to get over 270 and hold. But same picture. Pre-trigger, trigger, magnet. This one here, I was up about 97% this morning. If we come over and look at the daily chart, this is why I say that it needs to get over 270. If you look at the daily chart, this needs to break this area and it's off to the races. It's off to the races. But didn't want to actually make this video as long as it did, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up right there. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing. Please like, first and foremost. That doesn't cost you a thing, and it will help me out greatly. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. I think I'm going to try to get back to making some videos, even on these plays. Like maybe beginning of the week, go through, kind of show what I do when I'm looking for these ideas. And go from there. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 sec, Spark. I'm about to wrap up a video I'm making. But yeah, we can finish the conversation in the comments. And on that note, I am out of here. I may get a video done recapping my futures trades today. I'm in the cash account. Small green after a decent sized red day yesterday. So I'll try to get that recap done this evening. But I wanted to get this little rant out the way. And on that note, I'm out of here. Peace.